what attraction marketing isn't. In this video, I'm going to share with you exactly that, what attraction marketing isn't and that you're probably doing it wrong. So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you what are things that your upline or your trainers are teaching you about attraction marketing that is probably not, and how to do it the right way. Hi, my name is Anna Stropnik and I help people grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can attract ideal prospects to them and create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share with you an episode every single week helping you grow your network marketing business. So attraction marketing is definitely a buzzword, definitely a big word that's being thrown around a lot. And you know, when we are told about attraction marketing, do this, but these are like the three things. If you're told to do them in attraction marketing, you're probably doing it wrong, because that is not attraction marketing. So here's the three things that if you're being told that you still have to do them as well, you are not building your business attraction marketing way. So the first thing is you still have to prospect. How many times have you heard this training where they break it down and say, hey, you know, you can build your business actively by prospecting and with marketing where you're attracting. But in the beginning, you got to do both. Attraction marketing is just marketing. Attraction marketing, yeah, it's a learning curve. So it's going to take you some time, you know, before you actually start seeing results. You definitely have to learn your skills. You're not going to be, marketer like straight away. There's like different strategies that you need to learn. But in attraction marketing, the way it teaches, you're not prospecting. Even if you are prospecting, if you choose to build your business by prospecting, there's still a learning curve. Because what prospecting really is sales. Nobody's telling you this, but it's sales. They're teaching you the sales tactics. So prospecting, you know, when you think about it, you gotta find people, you gotta invite them, you gotta use like a good script that they actually respond, you gotta present to them, you gotta close them, you gotta overcome all the objections. So, you know, most people when they first get started in network marketing, they're told, oh, this is so easy, you know, all I do is I just ask them a question and they join my team. And it's not that simple. They are not telling you that you're in the sales business. It's a different type of sales, but it's a sales business. And they have to teach you those sales tactics. So that's why so many people are prospecting, but they're like getting to the point where maybe like people are responding to them, but they don't know what to do next. And they're messing it up. They're coming across spammy, they're coming across chasing and begging people to just look at the information, you know, I'll give it to you for free. Just look at the information, and it's absolutely the wrong way. So these are the three things. So if you're being told, if you still have to prospect, if you're doing attraction marketing, it's not attraction marketing. Number two, if you're told to post just before and afters of your products or post about your products the whole time, and then your attraction marketing, you're posting and people are attracted to your posts, no, they're being repelled by your post and you're not attracting nobody. That is not what attraction marketing is. So if you're being told that, you're not using attraction marketing. Number three is when they teach you that everyone is your prospect, that you need to talk to absolutely everyone on your list, everyone that you know, everyone you went to kindergarten with, everyone you went to high school with, who you work with, who you go to gym with, who you know like really well, who you don't know well at all, who is on your chicken list. You have to talk to everyone. So those three things are not attraction marketing way. So what is attraction marketing? First of all, attraction marketing is talking to a specific niche of people. So attraction marketing teaches you that not everyone is your prospect. So you're actually talking to a specific group of people. Like every business in the world has their own target market. That's how you need to pick as a network marketer. You need to pick your niche, your target market that you're going to be marketing to. Then they have a lot in common. When you make a post, you're speaking to their problems. You're not talking in general. You're being very, very specific. You're talking specifically to them. So this is why this is so powerful. When when I started using attraction marketing, I noticed that my engagement in my post went like sky high, and I was always blaming algorithms for that, for when I was not getting engagement on my post. But it all depends on who you're talking to. So if you have a target market that are all the same, so when you're talking about one thing, they all say me too, this is really when you're using that attraction marketing the right way, and you get your more engagement in your post. So number 2, with attraction marketing, so there's 3 steps in attraction marketing, is that you post value. So you're building influence, you post valuable posts, you're speaking to their problems, you're crafting those like soft CTAs for people to reach out to you if they want more information, but it's optional, they can raise their hand and then you will bring it on too. So these are going to be like your super qualified prospects, the ones that are raising their hands, right? And you're going to share stories, you're going to always, like, even if you're posting like a promotional post, you're always leading with value first. So you're posting something valuable in the front, and then you're doing that soft call to action for them to learn more. So you're kind of hiding that you're hiding that like pivot, which is like what your product or what your company has solved, but it's intriguing them. They want to know more, but you're really sharing their story, and that's why they're diving in there. That's why they're so interested in your content. So you're gonna learn, and you want to provoke that me too in everything that you post, that they're just relating to you. And how you accomplish that is like what I said in the first step. You got to attract your ideal prospect, your ideal niche. The number 3 is no more prospecting. So now you're attracting. You're going to be in control. When you're enrolling people, they are going to feel, they're not going to feel that they're hunted down. They're the ones that are reaching out to you, and all you're doing is you are just answering few questions and helping them make a decision, and everything is totally up to them. They're the ones that decide, okay, I'm going to do it, or I'm going to wait, or whatever. But usually they're already pre-sold and they cannot wait to join you. So this is what happens, when you build that influence. They are looking forward to talking with you. They're respecting you. They're joining the company because of you and not because of the company or products. They trust you. So it's a very, very big difference. That's why people stay. That's why they stay with their leader versus like they jump to every single new product out there, every single new company when it launches. And then okay, so there's like few different things when you're talking about attracting. So attracting your audience, it's first going to be active. You're going to have to actively attract your audience. So you're going to be connecting in like-minded groups and looking for like-minded people through people that they follow. And you're actively going to send those friend requests and messages that you would like to connect. Now, these are not prospecting messages. You're not prospecting anyone. You're just connecting. You're making a new friend. So in the beginning, you're going to have to do that actively. Later, the second step with the attraction marketing is it's going to be leverage, because it's going to be you and your team both doing this. So you're connecting with new people, but your content is what's really selling them and what's influencing and what's keeping them stay and eventually enroll. So you're not the one asking them and prospecting them. And then number 3 is when you get to automate. You get to automate this attraction part, which is amazing. When you actually start attracting through probably like paid ads, or even when you have so much reach, even with like free strategies like doing reels, doing TikToks, you can attract masses of audience to you for free. So that is like the 3rd step. When you master attraction marketing, you're going to be attracting people to you automatically. So the best place to learn attraction marketing, if this sounds intriguing to you and doing it the right way, is going through my 10-day Attraction Marketing Bootcamp. If you haven't registered yet, there's going to be a link in this description of this video, so you can go ahead and register. If you like this video, smash that like button and consider subscribing, because every week I come on here and I give you a new training video helping you grow your business online. And question of the week: Are you clear on what your niche is? Who is your target market? Who are your ideal prospects? Are you clear on who that is for you? If you're not, that's totally fine. I would love to know your answers, because I'm thinking that this is something that lots of people struggle with. I may be wrong, but I'm planning future content around this, is how to identify who your niche is. So like in the future, I will definitely create a video about that. But before I do, that's why I would love your feedback. So definitely drop that comment below. And I really thank you for watching, staying until the end, and I will see you on the next video.